Hey there, TZH Place here, and today I'm going to be starting a new series, a new so-called content creation series, to where I will show you, raw unedited, how I actually make, some of my content and stuff like that. So in today's video, we will be doing TikTok slash YouTube Shorts, aka the vertical sort of format of content that you can see a lot on my YouTube and on TikTok. So if you like these types of videos, make sure to drop me a like to let me know, and comment down below what other things in the content creation series you'd like me to talk about or check out, and I will be sure to do so. But anyways, if you like if you want to see more of these types of videos, make sure to subscribe, if you haven't already, and it also helps me in making these types of content, completely for free also. So there you go. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first of all, all of this can actually happen on the web itself. Or let me just all of this can actually happen on the web itself, and the two things that we're going to be using is Scope and Canva. You can download the desktop app itself, which I have here, but you can also use just the regular website itself. So you can use that, the regular website itself, or you can just use the desktop app. So let's start off with Scope first. So just type in Scope, go into here, and then make sure you sign in and do everything. And then what I like to do is that I go to import video, right? I go to import video, and then after that I turn on automatically create highlight from new public void, and I link my Twitch. So what this does is that every time after I'm done sort of streaming, Scope will take my full VOD itself and they will process it. As you can see, process. It will show you here, and after it's being processed, all you need to go is to go to the game section, my game section. All right, so going right into here, you can see everything. And what I recommend you to do is you stream for maybe like a week, and then after, maybe at the end of the week, you can click. It will highlight those that you haven't clicked yet. So just click the one Twitch auto import and just click them and download the clips that you want. So what I do is that I open it up right here. I'm going to be using this as an example. As you can see, you have your videos here, and then these are your clips. So I have pinned a few clips, but the clip I'll be downloading is this one. As you can see, there are many different clips.
Your duty is not over.
Yep, so this is the clip that I will be downloading. I'll just download it right here. As you can see, downloaded. So what I would do is I would open up Canva. You can also do it on the browser itself. It does work that way. So what you're gonna do is go to create design, click up here, create design. Same for the so-called the web app. And one good thing about the web app, one good thing about the web app is that if you have let's say not a really decent computer, or you don't run Windows or whatever, it runs on the web. So as long as you have an internet connection and you can have access to like a web browser, you will be able to do that. But if you can, and if your computer is like decent, I would suggest you to download the this app itself, because it runs, not wrong, much better, much more stable, and it's just overall much better integration with Windows. But yeah, and then make sure to go to create design right here on the top right, and then make sure to search TikTok, since this is what we will be using. And YouTube Shorts uses the same aspect ratio, uses the same thing, so you can use it for both. Click it, it will bring you right here. So untitled design and uploads, right? So all you gotta do is you gotta go to your file explorer or whatever it is, and you can see the clip here. Just move it right here, and you should be able to load up. So as it's loading, what we're going to be discussing is the background. So you can use any background you want. They have like many backgrounds, so depending on your color scheme, My color scheme is sort of teal and gray, so I will go with this one, something like that. And what you want to do with something like this, edit image, is you go edit image, and then you can adjust everything you want. Here I'll just adjust it so that it has more brightness, and maybe less contrast. Okay, and the most important thing, as you can see, the blur here, you want to go with somewhere around 5 or 10 of blur. I like to go slightly more blurry, so you can have a blurry background like this. It looks really nice. Make sure to fit the color scheme, so mine is teal and gray, so there you go, using something like this. And then go back to uploads. You can see right here, this is your video, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do here is do this so that we can make it bigger, so it's easier for us to see. What I like to do is, as you can see right here, just drag it so that it goes corner to corner, and then I'm just going to pull this down right here so that it goes directly just onto my gameplay. And it's good for, since I'm running ultra wide. But if you're not running ultra wide, you also can do the same thing like this. And then what you could do is click onto another one, and then just make sure you do the same just for your face cam. Right here, so you can adjust it as needed. Okay, right here, and then what you have to do is you just go here, it goes edge to edge, cover up the top of the screen, make sure your gameplay is just below. You can do this with any size webcam and any size gameplay. Just make sure your gameplay is like this, and then your camera is on top, so people can see your reactions and people can see your gameplay at the same time. So as you can see, what we're gonna do is like this blank space here, right? Because it's blank space, you don't want to have any blank space in your videos most of the time. So what you will go do is you go to text and you add some text. Yeah, so depending on the video, you add text depending on the video. So the text that I have for this video is, as you can see, it's like how, because I'm confused and stuff like that. So make sure you move this so it goes something like this. Make sure it fits onto the bottom part and it doesn't cover this part as well. And then I'm just gonna move it to teal, and then I'm just gonna go to elements and just grab this, which is a square, and it just gives my text some background so that it doesn't blend in like straight into this itself. I'm gonna make this great. You can see right now this is how it looks. Let me zoom out a bit. This is how it looks, and I'm just going to be playing the video.
Your duty is not over.
As you can hear, there is a double sort of audio thing. So what you're going to do, since this is the same clip, right, it plays the same exact audio, you go to your camera feed right here, go to volume, and then mute it. So as you can see when I play it,
your duty is not over.
One enemy remaining.
okay, this is good. And then after that, you can play it from here.
Your duty is not over.
Okay, right here you can preview it, and what I like to do is I like to edit it down.
Your duty is not over. Your duty is not over.
Yep, I like to edit it, just trim it a bit. And playing it from the start.
Your duty is not over.
One enemy remaining.
Yep, so this is how I create, and all you gotta do next is you just gotta file type, make sure you select MP4 and then download. And of course, if you want, right here, as you can see right here, you can rename it to what I would call TikTok clips. So I'm just going to be naming this like so. As you can see, downloading right here. We're just gonna download. It's gonna download right here. And yeah, basically what is good about sort of uploading this type of content to TikTok and stuff like that is that you don't actually need to film any like extra content, believe it or not, because you're taking clips that you already made content for. So not only do you push out different types of content for different people to, you know, different platforms, so that, you know, you can all funnel them into your Twitch stream, but also make it so that, you know, you actually have a lot of content, but you don't make a lot of content. You know, it's from the same thing itself, but different different video clips and types and stuff like that. So all you gotta do is download, and once this has downloaded, I will get back to you. Okay, so as you can see right here, TikTok clips, right? So all I gotta do is click save, and it should save it. And then all you have to do now is to go into your web browser. This can be all done in your web browser itself. Go to TikTok itself, upload video. So upload video, as you can see right here. Upload video, gotta drag the video file. So go to your wherever your file is, downloads, right? TikTok clip, as you can see here, this is the TikTok clip itself. So all you want to do is drag it, put it right here, and you see the cover. You can choose it to anything you want it to be. So you can just make sure to everything, and caption, you can just create a caption. I'll just use and then right here all I have to do is post it, and it's loading. And then view profile, you can see
Your duty
this
is
will be
not
my
over.
clips.
One enemy remaining.
And
Your duty is not over.
right here, right? Okay, so this is how I would create content for TikTok. And also you can upload it to YouTube Shorts as well. You know, just as I said, you could just go to YouTube itself, just go search up YouTube, right? And then click up here, YouTube Studio, and then create, upload video, just like uploading any video TikTok clip. Put it right here. Just upload it the same way as to how you upload your TikTok. So I'll just put it right here. And then gaming, just put in Valorant. And for the tags, you can add certain tags. So what I will add is Valorant gameplay, Valorant clip. So just add, and yeah, this one I'm using is I'm using vidIQ, but yeah, it should be the same. Just type in or make sure you have as many tags as possible, so this way as many people can find you. Right here, this is what I have. Then yep, go to video elements, don't need anything, just schedule it. I'm going to schedule it to 28, schedule it to any time you want, so you can make a bunch of these and put them on YouTube and just schedule it like every day, or I would say every day, since it's really easy to make and schedule it to every day. Premiere, just schedule it, and there you have it. You can post it to YouTube as well. So this is kind of how I would create content for my Twitch clips and then make them into TikTok or so-called like YouTube shorts, and it's really simple. You can make one of these in literally like a few minutes. And what I recommend you to do is, as I said, you stream for, let's say, about a week or so, and then at the end of the week, right, since everything will be sort of you have highlighted everything in Athena scope, and then those that is highlighted is the ones that you haven't clicked on yet, and click on the one Twitch auto import, find the clips that you like, and then just download a lot of them, and then download a lot of them, import the whole bunch into Canva itself, be it the web app or the desktop app itself. And then after that, from there you can just edit and just go through the motions, just edit. You can just have a lot of content that you can post basically daily. And yeah, that is basically it. Let me know if this has helped you out so far, and if it did, make sure to drop a like to let me know, and also subscribe if you would like to see more content like this and me to continue the content creation series. And so comment down below what things you'd like to see in sort of this content creation series, like maybe how I set up my stream setup, how I edit videos, things like that. Make sure to let me know. And make sure to also watch my streams over at twitch.tv/TZH plays, where I usually so-called record all of these. I try to record all of these videos live, as you can see right here, and be part of the amazing people in the chat right here. And also see me react to videos, stuff like that, and also hopefully not do so bad in games. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video or stream.